Create a job advertisement for a business intelligence analyst position at your tow company, highlighting the diverse career opportunities within data science. Join our team as a business intelligence analyst. Love numbers? Enjoy finding patterns? We're hiring. Help us make our tours even more amazing by analyzing data and coming up with smart ideas. Who we need? Data enthusiasts who love exploring numbers, creative thinkers with smart ideas. What you'll do: analyze data to find popular tours, set prices for affordable family fun, discover the best tour spots. Why join us? Join a fun team that loves adventures, learn about data science and success, make vacations unforgettable worldwide. Ready for an adventure with data? Apply now. What are some additional domains where the application of data science could improve everyday living? Data science improves life in many ways. First, health, tracks steps, sleep, and diet for better health. Second, education, recommends books and courses. Third, entertainment, suggests movies and music. Fourth, travel, predicts best times and routes. Fifth, safety, helps predict dangers and find lost things. Sixth, environment, aids climate research and conservation efforts. What patterns or categories can be identified within the data? Organizing crayons by color is like finding patterns in data. Similarly, sorting pets into categories like dogs, cats, and birds helps us understand popularity and quantity.